Welcome to Road Solver Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to check the managing of horizontal alignment data, how it is working the road solver. First, the road solver solve the road horizontal alignment coordinates northing easting by the method of simple inputs. So this diagram describes you how it is the calculated points of the horizontal alignments. This calculation will be made the center line, right offset and left offset. So this all it is calculated based on the user interval. The coordinates will be calculated as per the interval by user. So this center line, right offset 5 numbers in one time, so you can, that is a maximum, you can use 1 or 2 and maximum 5 numbers. Same like the left side offset 5 numbers. So what are the outputs report? You will get the random station view. This means if you want to see only in this screen, just enter your station and it is selected from the right offset or left offset, you just click view. So this coordinate will be view in this screen. So second one, it's printed in PDF file format, and third one printed in Excel file format. Then fourth one, you can print it in text file format. This text file it will be used directly to use in GPS or total station survey instruments. So next one, input panel. This is a input panel of the road solver. There is a PI station and PI northing and PI easting and delta value, radius and direction and spiral length. These are the inputs required for the road solver. In this we can solve straight line and circular curve, and after that spiral curve. Now method of inputs. In any alignment, it will be the combination of straight line and curves. So this in this curve, in the alignment, the start station and end station will be used. This station value, northing and easting and delta and radius and direction and spiral length. These last 4 items we have to use at 0. So the first one, station values should be input and northing easting should be also input. For the BI stations, we can have to give the input of station value, northing and easting and delta, after that radius and then direction and spiral length. In this, delta should be mentioned degree, minute and seconds. Degree should be D, should be small letters, all are small letters, should be in the beginning. After that, radius should be always positive numbers, don't use the negative numbers. In direction also you have to select, that is already it is in the drop down, you can use it right or left or 0, whatever it is. Spiral length, it is if you are calculate for the circular curve, keep it as a 0. If it is a spiral length, spiral curve, you have to use the value of spiral length. Now what are the outputs we can get it from the road solver? There is a 2 type of outputs. One, it is random. That means this random station you have to see the view of station coordinates. Any station in between the beginning to end, you enter the station and press view, so you can get the coordinates of any offset of center or right or left, whatever user require. Second one, it is a serial. This one from 2, that will be 2 stations, between the 2 stations as per the user interval. It is 25 meter, 10 meter, whatever your requirement, you can give the inputs. The output points, you can get it a center line, right offset 5 numbers and left offset 5 numbers. Also the option, it is by rounding stations. This means this option is on, the incremental station value, it will be rounded by the interval. That means if you have a station is starting station is 675, if you are give your interval is 10 meter, so the next station will be 700 and 710 like that. If it is off, the increment that will be increased from the beginning station automatically together with the incremental value. That means 675 plus 10, it will be 685, 695 like that. So how this will be work in the software, just we will discuss now. We will see. When you open the road solver, you go to the geometric design. In this design, select the horizontal alignment option and click OK. Now this horizontal table will be appear. The first is station, second northing and easting and delta. So first you give this first station 675 and northing 277.32223.57. After that easting 347.573.030. Then after that delta D0 M0 S0. Then radius will be 0. Then after that direction will be 0 and make 0 another spiral length. Then insert. Now the value will be coming. So next one 2784.23. Then 2774445.636. Then 349.292.16. Then D63 M27 S 23.12. Then radius is 1250. Direction will be right. Then spiral length is 0. This is a method we are inserting the data. Now if any data, if you want to change something, when you click this, so this data will be coming again in the text box. So you whatever you want to change, you can edit that one. Then again make modify. Then data will be modified. Okay. So this is a method to make this one. Then there is option import. Import, you have to make this data in the Excel sheet. Then from the Excel sheet, you make it save as a CSV file. Now in the Excel sheet, first station, northing, easting, delta, after that radius, direction and spiral length. This method you just enter the data. The data should be only in the which is required column only. In other column, any column should be empty. Don't touch anything. So from this one, make it save as and make browse. I make it in this one and select CSV comma delimited option and make this one horizontal input data CSV. So save. So data will be saved in CSV file. So when you check this file, this one horizontal import data CSV. So this file we are going to import. To select desktop, then horizontal import data CSV, then make open, then upload. So already there is a data. I press the override, so click this. So the data will be coming, all data. So this data you want to print it in the PDF for your reference record. You can print it this one. It will be coming table. Also export. This export, it will be go again same like Excel file format. Then we can give this export file like that. Then save. So if we go check that file, export file. This is the one. Now this file will be appear. This is station. Everything will be coming. This is a method which we are going to work how the input which is coming inside the horizontal. After this, we are going to check the reports. First, go to the reports and go horizontal. First, we can get the curve report. So select there is a input from and end. So just to print the PDF. The data will be coming all the curve data, BC, BT and tangent and curve length, radius, external distance, everything will be coming here. This is a curve data. You can check the tables. This data will be coming right on. So same like method. So you can go to setting out. In setting out, this is a column. there is a two option, it is serial and random. If you choose random, so is asked the station, I say this anyone, I need center only, so click view. So this will be give the coordinate directly to the screen, so you can write that one. So if you choose the serial, so you can say there is 675 to 500, 1000. So I need the interval of each 10 meter. Okay, so center and right, left. So you can choose 5, 10 something and 5, 10. So the left offset and right offset always give this integer number, not real number, not negative number, should be positive numbers. So if you choose this one and print to PDF first, so data will be coming in this direction, station, position, offset value, northing, easting, like that. So if you want to give this Excel file, so plus Excel, then you can go to desktop, save some file name. So this will be, this is a file, so you can check that value will be coming or this in Excel. Okay, now which you are discussing this also there is a file option, survey file. This is a text file, you can select this one, you can give any text file name, so save. So this file will be appear, there is a serial number and northing and easting. This file you can directly input to the GPS or directly input to the total station for setting out data. Okay, now there is an option which is by rounding stations. If this is off condition, this output will be coming incremental stations 675 plus 10, 85, 685, 695, like that. Okay, if you on this rounding station, then if you print the PDF, you can say that is 675, then 680, then 690, then it is a rounded value based on the interval. This is a method you can get the reports from the horizontal alignment data by road solver.